Hi, I'm Ria and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a Myntra and H&M haul. Shopping is something that I love and I really love a very good and affordable deal. So I thought of sharing it with all of you. So starting on with the video, I'm wearing this white tank top that is from Trendoll and it is for 1094 rupees that I got. This is a proper textured tank top. It's a little bit sheer, जो कि मतलब चलता है because I think white जितने भी कपड़े होते हैं most of them are sheer. So if you really want to buy this, either you can wear something beige inside of it. So ये sheer वाला look ज़्यादा out ना है. This is basically a halter top that I love. इसमें थोड़े से neon prints हैं, I would say. Not exactly neon, a little bit on a soother way wala neon, I would say. But yeah, it looks really nice. If you're going out with your friends, brunch, you can wear it with jeans. It will look amazing with jeans and some pencil heels. So I really liked it. I actually wore this when I went out with my friends, and this is like something that I got a lot of compliments about. And this is basically halter neck, so it's something that suits my body type, and I quite like it as well. So yeah, इसका एक चीज़ मुझे नहीं पसंद आया जो था कि ये यहाँ से ना थोड़ा सा उठता है. That is something that I don't like about it. Apart from this, for 500 rupees, this is quite a good deal. So moving to the other top that I've got, this is really pretty long sleeve knitted top. I really like its neck का proper structure. I mean अच्छा है, but the only thing that I am kind of worried about is how deep it is, because ये जो part है, it's quite deep, so you have to wear something inside of it. But it's a really cute top. It has a really cute thing over here. It's ice cream. So yeah, I really like it. It's like in the shade of purple. It has neon green and white stripes. It's really cute, and I feel like कि एक summer essential maybe even you should have a proper full sleeves top. And for 519 rupees, this is a good buy. And I don't mind spending 519 rupees for a really good material, and it's quite textured as well. So moving on to the other top that I got for 688 rupees. This is a proper Georgette shirt. So I'm a office going girl, and I need shirts for formal wear, for office wear. I need it. So I got this shirt, and look at this. This looks so cute. It has balloon sleeves in it, and the fit looks amazing. I actually got a size smaller. I don't know why, but I did, and it fits really nice. So yeah, if you want to get it, and of course beneath this you have to wear something like either black, or you can wear something beige inside of it. It'll look good. So if you are a fan of having sheer shirts, ruffle shirts, if you like it, then of course, like for this price point, you can obviously get your hands on these. This is from Berry Lush. Berry Lush is a brand that I really adore. It's really cute. Actually, I've got few dresses as well. If you guys like this video and comment, I can actually share a proper dress haul that I have in my closet. So yeah, so moving on to another top that I got from Berry Lush. This is so affordable, so good looking, and I just cannot believe that I got this top for just 849 rupees. हाँ मेरे को देखना पड़ा price because I just forgot. And by the way, just look at the sleeves. I mean, I'm someone right now that have been obsessed with bell sleeves. I really adore it, and it's off shoulder. Like, what can I ask for? I like it, everything, but when I actually tried it on, if you are into somebody who have like a heavier chest, it will not be sticking around. Like if you have pasties with you, or the tapes, you can fix it. But if you don't have, it is going to be a problem because यहाँ पे like in this top you do not get any sort of support or any sort of band that could hold it. Sometimes it just falls out. So you have to take care of it. I'm keeping it for now because I feel like I have tape, so with that it can work. So yeah, if you are into florals you can get your hands into these, but if you feel like you need something that is more secured, of course I would ask you to not buy it, because Berry Lush does have a lot of options. You can go around and swirl around. So moving on, with the rest of the two things that I got from H&M is these are from the store itself. एक तो I got this black bodysuit from H&M which is quite deep neck, but if you're somebody who like wearing deep necks and something like that, so you can obviously go and get your hands into these. And if you don't like wearing deep neck but you like this top, what you can do is you can get a lace tank top and maybe wear it inside of this and it will look really good, because I have done that. And for the video to get you a proper glimpse ki ye kitna deep hai, I have worn this white tank top beneath this top so that you get an idea that how deep neck this is. Apart from that, I really like the fabric of it. It's polyester, not good for summers of course, but this fits like a glove, so it's kind of my favorite for now. And it was I think for 1000 to 1500 के बीच में था, because I got this and I don't have the bill and I've worn it और इसका tag मेरे पास नहीं है. So moving on to the another shirt that I've got from H&M. This is for 1500 rupees. Iska fabric is very nice, like very nice, very good for summers. And the only reason why I got this shirt was, I think ये cotton and linen blend है, if I'm not wrong. The best part about this is the area that it covers from back side. I mean, I really wanted a shirt like this for a very long time, because when you're wearing linen shirt, it's kind of see-through, so you need to have a proper cover of it so that it does not flash your undies. So yeah, I think this is quite nice, and I think for 1500 this was quite a good purchase. But this product is only on stores, it is not online, so I won't be sharing a link for it. Rest I'll be sharing the link for you all that you can get your hands on. Till then, we'll see. So if you like this video, like, share and comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please let me know if you want to see another haul video. Till then, bye bye and good luck. See you.